So you're wondering why you should do your profile for both yourself and for your team. You're thinking it's interesting, I'll understand myself and I'll understand who my team are that little bit better. But then what do? The great thing about understanding the natural energy of your team members is not that you'll just understand what their energy is. You'll know what their profile is. You'll know that they're a champion or a catalyst or a custodian. More importantly, you'll know how to align their KPIs, their key performance indicators, to where you're going to get the most leverage and value from their role. Indeed, where they're going to enjoy their work the most, where they're going to create the most value for themselves and for the business. And isn't that in and of itself worth doing their profile for? You see, when you understand someone as a champion, for example, the more you align their KPIs to leveraging the value they create for your brand, for your business, whether that be in sales or PR or marketing or promotion, or in the way in which they engage customers, rather than having them focused on one customer, having them engaged across many, will help you get more value out of the role they play in the business, but will also help them advance in their career with you in your organization. Imagine understanding someone in your team as a custodian, but was in a catalyst role, in a role where it was always changing, when their job was to come up with the next best thing, and you're going, they're not performing. But by understanding they're a custodian, you can use them to fill that critical gap you have in your operational delivery team. You can align their KPIs to be about the operational efficiencies, the delivery of the outcome that you're looking for in terms of customer results and delivery, rather than coming up with the next best thing that you've got to sell to your customers that they're not that great at. And all of a sudden, not only do you unlock their value, you unlock value for the business. You unlock outcomes for you and your team. You see, the key about the contribution compass is it's not just a profile. It's not just a fun thing to do to understand someone's particular natural energy and be able to call them by a particular title or a particular profile. More importantly, the contribution compass is a business development and growth system. It's about maximizing the opportunities that you and your team have to do what your business does and do it well. So by doing your profile and doing the profile of your team members, that's just the first step. Understanding that will make an immediate difference in your business. But if you really want to leverage the result, start to apply it to simple things, like the KPIs that you use to determine how to create the most value for an individual and for your organization. Looking forward to seeing you complete your profile, your team complete theirs, and for it to change your business to maximize contribution and maximize return.